Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Myself Shehazi Rasool. Today I am here to deliver a speech on is our India a democratic country. Before starting our speech, we should know what is a democracy. Democracy is a form of government which is of the people, by the people and for the people and shall never be perished from the earth. These lines were said by Abraham Lincoln and Abraham Lincoln was the 16th president of USA. Let's begin our speech. In our constitution, it is written as that our India is a democratic country, but in reality, it's not. There is no equality, no freedom for the poor people, and there is corruption everywhere in India. The farmers of India, the poor people of India are suffering very much. The rich is becoming rich and the poor are becoming more poor. Why? Because our government is not working for the benefit of the people of India. They are working for the benefit of their own. The current situation of democracy in India is that of the people, OFF, of the people, by the people, BUY, by the people and far from the people. This is the democracy, the current situation of democracy in our India. Now, why our India is not so developed and the other countries like USA, Canada, Japan are developed? Because in other countries there is democracy. In USA, if a person wants to study, the government provides money to study. And what is happening in our India? The fund that government provided, the fund that for the education, the fund provided by the government for the education are in the account or goes in the accounts of rich people. This is happening in our India. There is corruption everywhere in India. And the top university of India is Jawaharlal Nehru University. Did you know that the top university of India does not come in top 200 universities of the world? Now can you imagine how down is the structure of education structure in our India? How down is the education structure in our India? That this is the current situation of India. That have you ever seen a poor person in elections of MLA, MP? Have you ever seen? No, they are only rich. Why? Because they have money. They can buy votes. There is money power in India. They are buying votes for the election. This is happening in our India. Now I am asking to you, those who are listening me, that is our India a democratic country? Is our India a democratic country? No, our India is not a democratic country. I want to say one more thing, that many people say that when we will become a ISA, doctors, may Allah give you everything, may you all be on the top of the world. But it is just an example that when you will become, many people say that when we become IAS, doctors, we will serve our country. Now if you do not get a job, it is just an example that if you do not get a job, then will you serve your country? Will you serve your country? According to me, in my point of view, a profession is not needed, is not so crucial to help our country. Education is the most powerful weapon that can be used to change the world. We should be educated. Must be educated to help our country. At last, I want to say, believe in yourself, be positive, and believe in your God, and everything will be fine. Thank you for giving me your precious time for listening to me. Thanks again.